Hello guys, today we will discuss all MCQ about biochemistry, MBBS biochemistry, DVM biochemistry, and various other degree biochemistry MCQ. First MCQ: how many N-terminal does hemoglobin contains? As you know, hemoglobin contain four chain, two alpha and two beta chains. So it should contain four N-terminal. Which of the following is a coenzyme required for all transmyelination reaction? It should be pyridoxal phosphate. Pyridoxal phosphate is the cofactor of all aminotransferases present in our body. Complete degradation of one molecule of glucose in aerobic condition will produce 2 ATP, 10 NADH, 2 FADH, 2 and 2 GTP and 6 carbon dioxide. These 6 carbon dioxide are produced in the Krebs cycle, and these 2 GTP is produced from the two molecule of acetyl CoA, which is produced by pyruvate pyruvate into acetyl CoA. So acetyl CoA, when consumed in the Krebs cycle, succinyl CoA is changed into succinate, thioester bond is broken, and it will produce lot of energy which is used for the phosphorylation of ATP or GTP. So these two GTP are produced during the conversion of two succinyl CoA into succinate, and two FADH2 are produced by the action of two succinate when two succinate is changed into two molecule of fumarate by succinate dehydrogenase. Then 10 NADH, 2 NADH are produced when one glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is changed into 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate, and two NADH molecule produced when two molecule of pyruvate is changed into two molecule of acetyl CoA, and 6 NADH are produced from the two cycles of Krebs cycle, and two ATPs are produced when 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate is changed into 3 phosphoglycerate, and when phosphoenol pyruvate is changed into pyruvate. Actually, 4 ATPs are produced during these two reactions, 2 are utilized. So, there is net 38 ATPs production from one molecule of glucose when completely oxidized into 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 water molecules. High energy bond in a fatty acyl CoA is called thioester bond. Thioester bond contain a huge amount of energy. So, which of the following statement is false? The cholesterol content of HDL is generally less than that of chylomicron. So, cholesterol is always less in HDL. This statement should be right. Then, what will be the wrong statement? VLD transport triglycerol synthesized in the liver to the peripheral tissue. It will be okay. Chylomicron are lipoprotein that transport dietary fat from the intestine to peripheral tissue. This is okay. Some fatty acid become complex with serum albumin for the this is right. LDL is the main form in which cholesterol is transported to the tissue. This is right. Then this will be wrong. The cholesterol content of HDL is generally less than that of chylomicron. Chylomicron contain high amount of cholesterol. In nucleotide, the covalent bond between the sugar and the nitrogen base is called beta. Why? Because ribose first hydroxyl group is always in a upper position. So it is a it is cis configuration. So ribose sugar in the nucleotide is always in the cis configuration. That's why It is known as beta and glycosidic bond. Which of the following is an aromatic amino acid? Tyrosine is an aromatic amino acid. Which of the following enzyme catalyze the condensation of carbamyl phosphate with ornithine to produce citrulline? It is ornithine transcarbamylase. Which of the following amino acid is synthesized from oxaloacetate? Asparagine. When oxaloacetate take an amino group from any other amino acid with the help of AST enzyme, then it is changed into aspartic acid. Then aspartic acid take a amino group and it is changed into asparagine. Reduction during fatty acid biosynthesis involve always the it take NADPH, which comes from the hexose monophosphate shunt pathway, or also known as pentose phosphate pathway. So NADPH is produced when glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase act on the glucose 6-phosphate. Which of the following enzyme break the hydrogen bond between the DNA strand? It is helicase which break the bond between the double-stranded DNA and it open up the DNA. Which is the name of the reverse reaction of esterification? It should be acid hydrolysis of an ester. Enzyme that catalyze any hexose is categorized as a group specific. Why it is group specific? Because it can hexokinase phosphorylate any 6-carbon sugar. The coenzyme pyridoxal phosphate is required for which of the following class of enzyme? Transferases. Mostly transferases required pyridoxal phosphate, aminotransferases. In which cellular compartment do fatty acid biosynthesis and beta oxidation occur, respectively? Fatty acid biosynthesis occur always in the cytoplasm. So it is a main concept, and beta oxidation always occur in the mitochondrial matrix. Okay, mitochondrial matrix. Which of the following is inactive form of the main proteases in the intestine which play a role in the dietary protein digestion? Trypsinogen. Trypsinogen is converted into trypsin, and that trypsin then convert the other inactive form of enzyme into active form. That's why trypsinogen is the main enzyme, inactive enzyme, which is released from the pancreatic juice. Which of the following is not a function of steroid? Steroid can work as a emulsifier. It can be a component of cell membrane. It can be the precursor of sex hormone like cholesterol. It can be precursor of cortisol like cholesterol. But it is not a component of a triglyceride. Steroid is not a part of a triglyceride. So this statement is right. In the following and though transmigration reaction, most amino acids transfer their amino group to which of the following? Alpha ketoglutarate. Alpha ketoglutarate is the main acceptor of amino group from any other amino acid, and when it accept the alpha ketoglutarate accept the amino group from any amino acid, it is changed into glutamic acid. Then glutamic acid is changed into the gain change into alpha ketoglutarate by glutamic acid dehydrogenase enzyme, and the amino group which is produced by the oxidation of glutamic acid is used by the urea cycle. In DNA replication, which of the following keeps the parental strand apart? A single stranded DNA binding protein, which pulls the DNA apart, and it also protect the DNA from nucleases attack. Which of the following intermediate of citric acid cycle is directly involved in the formation of glutamate? It is alpha ketoglutarate. It takes the amino group from any other amino acid and change into alpha keto. When glutamate release its amino group and it changed into alpha ketoglutarate by the action of glutamate dehydrogenase. Which of the following is not used in the fatty acid biosynthesis? FADH2 is not used in the fatty acid synthesis. Malonyl-CoA is used, ACP is used, acetyl-CoA is used, NADPH is used in the fatty acid synthesis. But FADH2 has no any role in the fatty acid biosynthesis, which is occur in the cytoplasm. The DNA in the bacterial chromosome is best described. It is always a single circular double helical molecule. It is a single circular double helical molecule. Which of the following is only stored in the gallbladder? When the cholesterol is oxidized, it is changed into cholic acid or chenodeoxycholic acid. Both are stored in the gallbladder, which is changed into bile salt, which causes the emulsification of fat in your small intestine. Transcription and translation of a gene composed of 30 nucleotides would form a protein containing no more than how many amino acids? 3 nucleotide code for an amino acid, 30 nucleotide code for 10 amino acids. It is very simple. Phosphoglyceride are composed of two fatty acids, one glycerol, and one phosphate. Two fatty acid mostly attaches into the glycerol first carbon and second carbon, and phosphate in the third carbon. Which of the following amino acids disrupt the alpha helical helix and found in hinge regions? It is proline. Proline produces kink in the bodies and it will turn the protein. Which of the following is not involved in the glycogenesis? Glycogen synthesis, glycogen phosphorylase, because it is the breakage enzyme, not a synthetic enzyme. So glycogen phosphorylase is the enzyme which is used in the glycogen breakdown. Which of the following cannot be used as a precursor of gluconeogenesis? Acetyl-CoA is a ketogenic molecule which produces ketone bodies in the mitochondrial matrix of the liver only. So it is cannot be a gluconeogenic molecule. Lactate can produce glucose, pyruvate can produce glucose, glycerol 3 phosphate can produce glucose, glycerol can produce glucose. Which of the following phosphoglyceride contain choline? Lecithin. Lecithin contain one glycerol, two fatty acid, one phosphate, and one choline base. In all enzymes, the active site is a substrate binding site. Actually, the active site is a three-dimensional pocket where a substrate can bond and can be converted into product. Which of the following would be a substrate in a reaction catalyzed by the phosphatase enzyme? It is phosphate esters such as glucose 6-phosphate. What are the two main transferases binding site on the ribosome? It is P and A site. P site for the peptide bond formation and A site for amino acid addition. The degradation of which class of biochemical does not significantly contribute to the release of energy to the cells? DNA. DNA cannot produce energy, but lipid produce 9.3 kilocalorie per gram. Protein produce 4.1 kilocalorie energy per gram. Fatty acid produce energy. Carbohydrate also produce 4.1 to 4.3 kilocalorie energy per gram. Pyruvate carboxylase and phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase catalyze the reaction of gluconeogenesis that bypass the reaction of glycolysis that is catalyzed by pyruvate kinase. So pyruvate kinase convert the phosphoenol pyruvate into pyruvate. So this reaction is bypassed in gluconeogenesis. It's formed by a ring structure with 4 carbon in the ring. Ribose, only 5 carbon sugar can produce a ring which contain 4 carbon in a ring. Which of the following describe the oxidative phosphorylation? It couples the oxidation of NADH and FADH2 to produce oxidative phosphorylation of ADP to ATP. So proton are produced, which goes into the intramembranous space of mitochondria, which then goes into the ATP is pumped to produce ATP. So NADH produce 3 ATP, FADH2 produce 2 ATP. But the cytoplasmic NADH produce 2 ATP. Substrate level phosphorylation mean ADP phosphorylation at the substrate level. So there are three substrate level phosphorylation in the body mainly. One is the one when 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate change into 3-phosphoglycerate. Second is the when phosphoenol pyruvate is changed into pyruvate, and third is the when succinyl CoA is changed to succinate when the thioester bond is broken. Which of the following is a deoxyribonucleotide containing adenine and 1-phosphate? It is deoxyadenosine monophosphate, which is present in DNA. If it is an RNA, then it is known as adenosine monophosphate, not deoxy. Which of the following intermediate of citric acid cycle can be synthesized directly from pyruvate? Pyruvate is changed into oxaloacetate with the help of pyruvate carboxylase, which require three things. One is A, B, C. A mean ATP, B mean biotin as a cofactor, C mean carbon dioxide as added as a carboxylic group to pyruvate. Which of the following is an essential in valine? You know the formula of PTV Tim Hall. Then beta oxidation of fatty acid, what are the substrates that are oxidized and reduced in the reaction? In beta oxidation of fatty acid, what are the substrates that are oxidized and reduced in the reaction catalyzed by the acyl CoA dehydrogenase? If the fatty acyl CoA molecule is oxidized and FAD is reduced into FADH2. Okay, that is the first reaction of beta oxidation. Which of the following carbohydrate has alpha 1 beta 2 glycosidic linkage? It is sucrose. Sucrose contain alpha 1 beta 2 glycosidic linkage, 1 of glucose and 2 of fructose. Fructose is classified as a ketohexose. It contains 6 carbon with ketonic as a functional group. Amylose differ from amylopectin in that amylose is not a branch because it contains only alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Mylopectin is a branch because it contains alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 glycosidic linkage. And mostly the branch comes after the 20 to 25 residue of glucose in the state chain. Which of the following is a key allosteric enzyme in glycolytic pathway? Phosphofructokinase 1 is regulated by many molecules. Citrate ATP can block it, and the low level of energy can activate it. And also fructose 2,6 bisphosphate also activated. So it is a highly regulatory enzyme. Which of the following statement is false regarding NADPH? It is the oxidized form of NADPH. Uh, which of the following statement is false regarding the NADPH? Used in the fatty acid synthesis. This statement is true. This is not true. Used in the fatty acid synthesis. NADPH is always used in the synthesis of fatty acid. The fully oxygenated hemoglobin can carry how many oxygen molecules? 4 oxygen molecules. It can carry 4 oxygen molecules. A piece of peptide with sequence alanine, serine, tyrosine, lysine, glycine, histidine is treated with elastase, and what products are generated? Simple. Elastase can cut only at the place of shallow amino acid. Only 3 shallow amino acid. One is alanine, second is glycine, and third is serine. So it can produce cut from here, and here. So what be the possible combination? It would be cut from here. It would be the cut from here. So C would be right. Alanine, serine, tyrosine, lysine, glycine, and histidine. In sickle cell anemia, glutamic acid is replaced by valine in a beta chain of hemoglobin in 6 amino acid position. In a 6 amino acid position, glutamic acidic amino acid changed into hydrophobic amino acid. In medical diagnosis, high level of alkaline alanine aminotransferase in the blood is mainly due to the indication of liver disease. It also increase in the heart failure. It also increase in the heart failure. So mainly it is increase in the liver disease. Oxidation of which of the following substrate in the citric acid cycle is not coupled to the production of NADPH or FADH2? Fumarate. Fumarate, when changed into malate, it does not produce any ATP. Which of the following is the main bond found in the primary structure of a protein? It is always peptide bond, which is found in the primary structure of iodoacetate or iodoacetamide inhibit an enzyme by covalent binding to the active site. This inhibition is known as irreversible inhibition. It is also known as suicidal inhibition when enzyme completely blocked by some irreversible inhibitor. Citrate synthase belongs to which class of enzyme? It belongs to transferase class. Firstly, it is belongs to lyase class. No, it is belonging to transferase class because the acetate from the acetyl CoA is condensed with the oxaloacetate to produce citrate. So it belongs to transferase class, not ligase class. It belongs to transferase class, which is the second class. A child when drinks milk at upset stomach, the patient lacks the ability to play which of the following glycosidic bond. It cannot break the galactose beta 1 for glucose linkage. Okay, so it has no lactase enzyme which is produced from the small intestine brush powder cells. In urea cycle, which of the following reaction requires the consumption of 1 ATP and converted into AMP? Conversion of citrulline to arginosuccinate. Citrulline, when condensed with the aspartic acid with using 1 ATP to produce arginosuccinate. So, citrulline plus aspartic acid plus 1 ATP in the presence of arginosuccinate synthase, it is changed to arginosuccinate. Which of the following is a monosaccharide? Is aldotriose. It is glyceraldehyde. It is glyceraldehyde, which contains 3 carbon atom and also has aldosic aldehyde as a functional group. Which of the following is not normally associated with ketosis? Ketosis, elevated blood pH. Blood pH becomes down when ketosis occurs. So it is wrong. Down syndrome is characterized by an extra copy of chromosome at 21 number chromosome, autosomal chromosome number. Cerebrocyte are the lipids that are defined by the fact they contain sugar. Cerebrocyte and ganglioside, these are the carbohydrate containing lipid. Also, cerebrocyte or ganglioside contain sugar in place along with fatty acid and alcohol. Dietary triglyceride are converted into fatty acid and glycerol by different lipases. The shuttle system for transport of acyl CoA, which contain more than 10 carbon in the cytoplasm to mitochondrial matrix, include carnitine. Carnitine shuttles transport the long chain more than 10 carbon into mitochondrial matrix, where the beta oxidation takes place. Which of the following is not effect of glucagon? It stimulates the storage of glucose. No. Insulin stimulate the storage of glucose into glycogen. So this is wrong. Glucagon actually causes the release of glucose from glycogen. So this statement is wrong. Only insulin causes the stimulation of storage of glucose into glycogen. How many ATPs are produced by the complete oxidation of one molecule of fructose in muscle under aerobic condition? 36 ATPs. It is wrong. Why? Because fructose is changed into fructose 1-phosphate by the with the help of fructokinase enzyme. So 1 ATP is more produced as compared to glucose. So fructose produce 37 ATPs, not 36 ATP, because it bypassed the one reaction of glucose into glucose 6-phosphate formation. So around 30, maybe you can say 36 ATP, because when fructose 1-phosphate is hydrolyzed by hydrolase B enzyme, it produces glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde then changed into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate with the help of kinase. So 36 ATP, it is correct. ठीक है. Which of the following fatty acid is essential? Linoleic acid, linolenic acid, and arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid is known as semi-essential. So linoleic acid or linolenic acid are essential fatty acid. How many net ATP are produced from the two acetyl-CoA through citric acid cycle? 24 ATP. One acetyl-CoA produce 12 ATP, 2 acetyl-CoA produce 24 ATP. That is why? Because 3 NADH and 1 FADH2 produce from 1 acetyl-CoA and 1 ATP produced when succinyl-CoA is changed into succinate. So 3 NADH produce 9 ATP, 1 FADH produce 2 ATP, and 1 GTP is produced, which is equivalent to 1 ATP. So total 12 ATP produced from 1 acetyl-CoA, and 2 acetyl-CoA produce 24 ATP. Which of the following has ribose as a part of its structure? ATP. It is a nucleotide, so nucleotide are made up of ribose sugar, nitrogenous base, and phosphate. In gluconeogenesis, it needs 2 pyruvate to form 1 glucose. Also need 4 ATP and 2 GTP. If 2 pyruvate is changed into 1 glucose. With regard to the cyclic form of fructose, the anomeric carbon is carbon number 2, because in case of aldehyde, anomeric carbon is always number 1, and in case of ketone, it is always number 2 carbon. This is general concept. The carbohydrate found in cane sugar is sucrose, always sucrose. Which of the following enzyme catalyze the hydrolysis of arginine to generate urea? It is arginase enzyme which convert arginine into urea and other molecule fumarate. Which of the following is correct regarding the fetal hemoglobin? Fetal hemoglobin has more affinity for oxygen as compared to normal hemoglobin, mother hemoglobin. Why? Because mother hemoglobin contain beta chain and fetal hemoglobin contain gamma delta chains. So it has more affinity to combine with the oxygen. This is repeated MCQ. Biosynthesis occur in the cytoplasm and oxidation occur in the mitochondria. But he asked what is incorrect. The last step in the fatty acid degradation is cleavage reaction, where the first step in the fatty acid synthesis is condensation. ठीक है. Fatty acid degradation require carnitine shuttle. ठीक है. Where fatty acid biosynthesis does not require shuttle system. ठीक है. Fatty acid degradation is catalyzed by the cytoplasmic enzyme. No. fatty acid degradation is always catalyzed by the mitochondrial matrix enzyme. This is wrong. So this statement is wrong. Fatty acids are activated by acyl-CoA and acyl group is further transported to the carnitine because acyl-carnitine crosses the mitochondrial inner membrane but acyl does not. This statement is correct because carnitine shuttle system transport the fatty acid into the mitochondrial matrix. Cyanide is a poison that inhibits the electron transport chain. What is the immediate consequent of cyanide poisoning? It inhibits the electron transport chain, so prevent the reduction of NADH and production of ATP. That statement is correct. Prevent reduction of NADH and FADH2. Prevent oxidation of NADH and FADH2. Prevent oxidation of NADH into NAD and FADH2 into FAD. Some drugs work in inhibiting a replicating enzyme. So these drugs will affect which of the following enzyme? It affects the DNA ligase, which join the lagging fragments of the replication. Okay. So can also inhibit some drugs like work by inhibiting a specific replicating enzyme, which is necessary to connect two fragments. Two fragment is joined by the DNA ligase. So this enzyme will be inhibited. Which of the following enzyme in glycolysis require ATP as a substrate? Phosphofructokinase 1 and hexokinase 1. Hexokinase and phosphofructokinase 1 required ATP as a substrate. So here is correct answer is phosphofructokinase 1. In which class of enzyme would you assign an enzyme that carry out the dehydrogenation of its substrate? Dehydrogenation and oxidation occurred by the oxidoreductases class enzyme. So it is oxidoreductase. In citric acid cycle, 12 molecules of NADH are produced. 12 NADH, one cycle of citric acid cycle produce 3 NADH. So 12 produce in 4 cycles. So 4 cycle mean 4 FADH will be produced. So the right answer is the 4. Okay, 4 ATP. Which of the following is not true for both fatty acid synthesis and beta oxidation synthesis? A derivative of vitamin pantothenic acid is involved. ठीक है. Acyl CoA derivative are intermediate. Okay, one of them is catabolic and other is anabolic. ठीक है. The process occur in different cellular compartment. Okay, both have the require flavin derivative. No, only only mitochondrial enzyme required flavin derivative. Cytoplasmic fatty acid synthesis require NADPH, not flavin derivative. So not both of them require a flavin derivative. Only mitochondrial enzyme require flavin derivative. Fatty acid synthesis require NADPH, not FADH2. Which class of enzyme catalyzes this reaction? This is aldosic sugar. This is ketonic sugar. So isomerase convert the aldosic sugar into ketonic sugar. Which of the following compound will not be classified as a steroid? Which is not as a steroid? This three steroidal. What is the composition of steroid? Steroid contain 4 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these two are. This is also known as cyclopentano phenanthrene nucleus. These first two rings are known as phenanthrene nucleus. But it is a aromatic. Aromatic ring is not the part of steroidal compound. This is always not a part of steroidal compound. This cyclopentanoperhydrophenone 3 nucleus. This is a part of a steroidal compound. It contains only one double bond at the carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and 5. So this is a steroidal compound. 1 and 3 is not a steroidal compound. The conversion of one molecule of fructose 1-phosphate to two molecule of phosphoenol pyruvate by glycolysis pathway result in the net formation of one molecule of fructose 1-phosphate into two molecule of phosphoenol pyruvate. Mean 2 NADH will be produced, 2 NADH molecule produced, and 2 molecule of ATPs are produced. This statement will be correct. Why? Because uh, when fructose 1-phosphate is changed into glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate, it will change into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which is changed into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate with the production of 2 NADH. Then 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate is changed to 3-phosphoglycerate, which also produce 2 ATPs. So 2 molecules of NADH and 2 molecules of ATPs. The stable ring formation of D-fructose involves the interaction between carbon number 2 and carbon number 5, functional carbon and second last carbon. This is the always in the case of fructose. In case of glucose, it is carbon number 1 and carbon number 5. In case of fructose, it is carbon number 2 and carbon number 5. So it is carbon number 2 and carbon number 5. The transport of fatty acid from cytoplasm to mitochondrial matrix require carnitine. It required ATP, carnitine, and translocase. This option seems to be correct. The reaction of citric acid cycle that produce an ATP equivalent by substrate level of phosphorylation. Succinyl-CoA into succinate. When thioester bond of succinyl-CoA is broken down by the thiokinase enzyme, then it produces lot of energy, which is used by the phosphorylation of GDP into GTP. So electrons are extracted from citric acid cycle for use in the electron transport chain by the oxidation of NAD and FADH2. When the oxidation of FADH2 and FADH2 and NADH is taking place in the electron transport chain, then the electron is extracted and which is then used for the production of ATP, which is known as oxidative level of phosphorylation. What are the effects of insulin and glucagon? Insulin increase the synthetic process, protein synthesis, carbohydrate synthesis, and glucagon always increase the degradation. So insulin will increase while glucagon will decrease the protein synthesis. So C statement is correct. All of the following lipoprotein are synthesized in the liver except chylomicron. Chylomicron are synthesized in the intestine. A quaternary protein structure composed of two subunits of octapeptide, each composed of four repeating glycosyl unit has two subunit mean it has two ends. So one free amino group, two free amino group of glycine residue and two free carboxylic group on alanine residue. So two subunit mean uh, two location of amino group and carboxylic group. In amino acid, which group indicate alpha carbon? Alpha carbon is the carbon in which amino and carboxylic group is attached. This is the amino acid. So that is the carboxylic group. That is amino group. That carbon is the chiral carbon, which contain four groups attached to it. One is side chain, other is H and amino and carboxylic group. So second carbon is alpha carbon which contain 4 different groups attached to it. What is another name of phosphatidylethanolamine? It is cephalin. Cephalin is known as phosphatidylethanolamine. Which of the following is not required for the synthesis of fatty acid? Acetyl-CoA required, NADPH required, ACP required, malonyl-CoA is required. NADH is not required. NADH is not required for the fatty acid synthesis. What is the name given to biomolecule that is converted by proteolytic enzyme to the active form of enzyme? Hollow enzyme. Fully functional enzyme is known as hollow enzyme. Fully functional enzyme is known as a hollow enzyme. So active form of enzyme is known as a hollow enzyme, and inactive form also known as proenzyme or zymogen. Which of the following enzyme catalyzes the conversion of isocitrate into alpha ketoglutarate? It is citrate dehydrogenase. Isocitrate dehydrogenase. Ferritin and transfer are two examples of protein that contain a prostatic group. Prostatic group means a non-protein group bonded to protein to create a functional unit. So these two protein always contain iron as a prostatic group. So iron is a non-protein part, not coenzyme. Coenzyme होता है which is a vitamin derivative. So iron is not a vitamin derivative. So you can say a non-protein group bonded to the protein to create a functional unit. If a 4-carbon saturated fatty acid is oxidized by the beta oxidation through carbon dioxide and water, and all of the energy conversion products are used to drive ATP synthesis in the mitochondrial, the net yield of ATP equivalent per molecule of butyryl CoA. When 4 molecule of butyryl CoA is directly changed into 2 molecule of acetyl CoA. These two molecule of acetyl CoA, when oxidized in the Krebs cycle, it produces 24 molecule of ATPs. But in conversion of butyryl CoA into 2 molecule of acetyl CoA, one beta oxidation cycle take place, which produce one FADH2 and one NADH, which produce 5 ATP. So 24 plus 5 mean 29 ATP. So it will produce 29 ATPs. Which of the following is electron carrier which would have the greatest negative impact on ATP production during oxidative phosphorylation if its production was inhibited? Which of the following is electron carrier which would have greatest negative impact on ATP production during oxidative level of if its production was inhibited? NADH. NADH produce more energy as compared to any other molecule. So NADH has great impact for the ATP production if it is inhibited. snRNA, RNP have important role in which of the following? It is a component of spliceosomes. snRNP ribonucleoprotein, which is a part of spliceosome, so it help in splicing. Which of the following is an octadecanoic acid? It is 18 carbon fatty acid. Octadecanoic acid means 18 carbon fatty acid. So it is stearic acid. The steps of glycolysis between glucose and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate which involve which of the following reaction? Glucose into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. It is ATP consumption. ATP is consumed and glucose is changed into glucose 6-phosphate, and then fructose 6-phosphate is changed into fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. So it is ATP consumption state. Which of the following enzyme is required in both glycogen synthesis and glycogen degradation? It is phosphoglucose mutase. Phosphoglucose mutase is required in both conditions as summarization enzyme. A particular triplet of bases encoding sequence of DNA is UUU. What is the anticode? You always take AA. So U A. This is correct. What is the correct function of the following steps of beta oxidation? In beta oxidation, the first reaction is the formation of double bond in enol form of fatty acid. It is 4. Then the second reaction is the hydration reaction. So 4, 1, 3 and 2. So 4, 1, 3 and 2. This formation of double bond, then hydration reaction, then the formation of NADH, then the cleavage reaction. Citrate synthase and isocitrate dehydrogenase are the two citrate synthase and isocitrate dehydrogenase are the two regulatory enzymes of the citric acid cycle. These enzymes are inhibited by high level of ATP and NADH, which is shows the high energy state of the body. So citrate synthase and citrate isocitrate dehydrogenase are inhibited by the highest energy state of the body. So high level of ATP and high level of NADH can block that. Which of the following is an anomeric pair? Alpha D glucose and beta D glucose. These are known as anomeric pair. Which of the below is not required for the oxidative decarboxylation? Which of the following is not required for the oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate to form acetyl-CoA by pyruvate dehydrogenase? Pyruvate dehydrogenase required 5 cofactor. So, which cofactor is not required? ATP. It required NADH, it required coenzyme A, it required lipoic acid, it required FAD, it required thiamine phosphate, it does not require ATP. Which of the following directly donate a nitrogen atom from the formation of urea from the urea cycle? Aspartic acid. Aspartic acid can donate a amino group. In a eukaryotic cell, most of the enzyme of citric acid cycle are located in the citric acid cycle are located in the mitochondrial matrix. Citric acid always cycle take place in the mitochondrial matrix. The what word is used to describe pathway that function in both degradation and biosynthetic reaction? It is amphibolics. Amphibolic cycle pathway are two pathway. One is the glycolysis and other is the citric acid cycle. What two products are formed in the reaction between fatty acid and alcohol? It is ester and water. Ester bond and water. A DNA strand has a partial sequence of 3GACTGA. What would be the sequence of its complementary strand? 3 mean 5. 5 G into C, then U, G. This statement is right. 3 prime and always take a 5 prime and sequence. So G, C, A, T, R, U, C, G, T. So this would be right. Sorry, this statement, this is DNA, not the messenger RNA. So this is CTGACT. A always combined with T. So first is correct one. All of the following oxidative reaction are linked to the reduction of NAD except the reaction catalyzed by the succinate dehydrogenase. Succinate dehydrogenase produce FADH2, not NADH2. What of the following enzyme? Which of the following enzyme? Which of the following protein bind to the surface of lipid droplet and help pancreatic lipase to adhere to the surface and hydrolyzing triglyceride? Co-lipase. Co-lipase is the helping enzyme of lipase to break down the lipids. Some enzymes require additional non-protein prostatic group in order to function. Which of the following example of such example? It is pyruvate dehydrogenase, which contain FAD as a additional non-protein prostatic group. A monosaccharide that consists of 4 carbon, one of which is a keto form, is classified as a ketotetrose. It is classified as a ketotetrose. Which of the following required technique used to amplify a certain piece of DNA sequence? It is polymerase chain reaction, PCR. Which of the following lipoprotein are the major carrier of triglyceride? It is chylomicron and very low density lipoprotein. Chylomicron and very low density lipoprotein are the major carrier of triglycerides. The reaction of citric acid cycle is the most similar to the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. Catalyzed conversion of pyruvate into CoA is conversion of alpha ketoglutarate into succinyl-CoA by alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex and pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. Both these are the complex of three enzymes. One is transacetylase, one is decarboxylase, second is transacetylase, and third is the dehydrogenase. So pyruvate dehydrogenase complex is the complex of three enzymes. Then alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex is a complex of three enzymes which convert pyruvate into acetyl-CoA and alpha ketoglutarate into succinyl-CoA. The conversion of palmitoyl-CoA into meryl-CoA produce one molecule of acetyl-CoA by beta oxidation pathway, result in the formation of one FADH2 and one NADPH. This is the right statement. Anaerobic conversion of one molecule of glucose into two molecules of lactate by lactate fermentation is accomplished by net gaining of 2 ATP. Net gaining of 2 molecules of ATP. So two NADH which are produced are consumed during the conversion of pyruvate into lactate. So net gaining of 2 molecules of ATP. What compound in addition to glutamate is produced in plasma reaction in alanine and alpha ketoglutarate react. Alanine, if give its amino group to alpha ketoglutarate, it is changed into glutamic acid, and alanine is changed into pyruvate. So pyruvate is the right answer. The valence equation for complete degradation of 10 carbon fatty acid in beta oxidation, it will produce 5 acetyl-CoA, 5 FADH2 and 5 Na NAD. It produces 5 acetyl-CoA, 4 FADH2 and 4 NADH. Well, because when there is 10 carbon fatty acid, it will produce 5 acetyl-CoA, but it runs at 4 times because last 4 carbon butyryl-CoA directly change into 2 acetyl-CoA. So it will produce 5 acetyl-CoA, 4 FADH2, 4 NADH2. This will be right. How many chiral carbon in L-serine has? Only one chiral carbon. You can see only one chiral carbon in the serine. Here you can see. Precise structure of protein is determined by the interaction of side chain of amino acid. Only the side chain. It either contain HD group, basic group to make electrostatic interaction. It may contain a hydrophobic side chain which contain hydrophobic interaction. In mammals, each of the following occur during the citric acid cycle except फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ये भी होता है, जनरेशन ऑफ NADPH ये भी होता है, it will happen metabolism of acetate to carbon dioxide and water, not water. Water is produced during electron transport chain. So this will be wrong. Metabolism of acetate to carbon dioxide and water. If the below peptide was treated with the trypsin, which label bond in the peptide below would be cleaved by trypsin? One time in mammals, which of the following occur during the citric acid cycle except oxidation of this metabolism of acetate to produce carbon dioxide. Only carbon dioxide produced during the Krebs cycle, not water. So this will be wrong. In the below peptide was treated with trypsin, which label bond in the peptide would be cleaved by trypsin? Only basic amino acid cut by the trypsin. So this is the basic amino acid. So second, sorry, this is the peptide bond. Third position, it cut the third position bond. Third bond. So C option is correct. In urea cycle, carbamyl phosphate synthase catalyze the formation of carbamyl phosphate. Formation of carbamyl phosphate from ammonia, ATP, and carbon dioxide. In market, you can find partially hydrogenated soya oil. Partial hydrogenation of soya oil has what effect? It decreases the percentage of unsaturated fatty acid present in the fatty acid. What is the term for the state of protein when it is organized structure has become completely disorganized? It is known as denatured protein. Highly cellular concentration of which of the following molecule would inhibit the aerobic metabolism of pyruvate into citric acid cycle? High concentration of NADH will, if the cell has highest energy state, already has a highest energy state, then it will inhibit the Krebs cycle. So NADPH, NADH can inhibit the citric acid cycle because NADH, high level of NADH shows the highest energy state. Which of the statement concerning the peptide bond below is false? It is. It contains two peptide bond. One is here and the other is here. So it is a tripeptide. This is wrong. It contains only two peptide bonds. CN bond. It can only contain two CN bond. One here and one here. So it is a dipeptide, not tripeptide. What is the effect of increased level of hydrogen ion in the intermembrane space of the mitochondria? It increases the production of ATP by ATP is pumped. It increases the production of ATP. B option. In the citric acid cycle, our stimulated the body will produce too much which of the following molecules? Carbon dioxide. It will produce lot of carbon dioxide if there is a lot of citric acid cycle. What is the approximate total ATP equivalent that is produced during citric acid cycle and subsequently oxidation phosphorylation of single molecule of acetyl CoA? It will produce 12 ATP. Why? 3 NADH molecule produce 1, 2, and 3 which produce 9 ATP and 1 FADH2 produce which produce 2 ATP and 1 GTP produce which is equivalent to 1 ATP. So 9 plus 2 11 and this 12. 12 ATP produced from one acetyl CoA molecule. Oxaloacetate can directly synthesize from which of the following amino acid? Aspartic acid. Aspartic acid, when give its amino group to alpha ketoglutarate, it is changed into oxaloacetate. This is the reaction of glycogen synthesis. So glycogen synthase will add a glucose to produce one additional glucose molecule in glycogen. Amylopectin contains both alpha-1,4 and alpha-1,6 glycosidic chain. Which of the following best describe the transcription gene in human cell? Always begin with the AUG codon, methionine codon. It is correct. Mallobiose is a carbohydrate disaccharide in some plant juices. Which of the following statement concerning the mallobiose is correct? This is alpha 1 6 glycosidic linkage. So alpha 1 5 glycosidic linkage is wrong. Of the 20 standard amino acid, only cysteine can form disulfide bond because cysteine contain sulfhydryl group at their ends. Nucleic acid are polymer of nucleotide. Which of the following correctly represented as a nucleotide that may be found in nucleic acid? This is a nucleotide. This is a nucleotide. This is not a nucleotide. This is not a nucleotide. So 1 and 4 are nucleotide which can participate in the nucleotide production. What cellular condition favor increased activity of electron transport chain and oxidative level of phosphorylation? So, decreased level of NADH will favor the increased rate of electron transport chain and oxidative level of phosphorylation. Where does ketogenesis take place? It is take place in the mitochondrial matrix of liver. Mitochondrial matrix of liver. What are the component of cephalin? It contains glycerol, 2 fatty acid, and ethylamine, phosphate and ethylamine, phosphate and ethylamine. What of the following is listed below? The figure participate in the replication. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the helicase enzyme which break the hydrogen bond. This is correct. This is the DNA binding, A binding protein which kept the DNA stain in separate form and protect from nucleases that it is correct. 1 and 2 correct. Third is the DNA polymerase. This will be correct because it is adding nucleotide bases. And four, primase enzyme which produce primer in the ligand chain. This is correct. And five is the DNA ligase. This is always correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is correct. Uh, The metabolic function of pentose phosphate pathway is the production of generate NADPH and pentoses for the synthesis of fatty acid and nucleic acid. This is the more accurate statement. Malonate is a competent inhibitor of succinate dehydrogenase. If malonate is added to mitochondrial mixture, which of the following compound would you expect to increase? It will succinate. If succinate is not oxidized into malate, fumarate, then level of succinate will increase. What type of product form in the intramolecular reactions between aldehyde portion of glucose and carbon number 5 of hydroxyl group? It is hemiaster ring formation. This is a hemiaster ring formation. How many molecules of ATP are produced by oxidative level of phosphorylation by the 2 molecules of NADH produced in the glycols? In the cytoplasm, one NADH produce 2 ATP when it is goes into the mitochondrial membrane and matrix. So it produces 1 ATP less as compared to mitochondrial NADH molecules. So 4 ATPs are produced by the glycolytic NADH molecule. So citric acid cycle NADH produce 3 ATP, but the cytoplasmic NADH produce 2 ATP. So 4 ATP produce. Which of the following best describe an amino acid aspartic acid and lysine are most likely to be found in the tertiary structure of globular protein? On the exterior surface of the folded protein where the contact with water is greatest due to hydrophilic nature. The peripheral protein contain the polar amino acid like aspartic acid, glutamic acid, lysine, arginine. So peripheral protein, exterior protein contain the acidic or basic amino acid. This the product has lowest energy. So when the product are formed, it decrease the when the reaction is completed, energy of activation decreases the rate of reaction, so product get less energy and get stable. So energy of activation decreases during a enzymatic reaction. Which of the following enzyme catalyze the formation of following reaction in the muscle? Fructose into fructose 1 phosphate by fructokinase. By fructokinase. Which of the following is not correct regarding ACP and coenzyme A? Both are cell carrier molecule. ACP is only found in mitochondria, while coenzyme is only found in the cytoplasm. ACP involved in the fatty acid synthesis, while coenzyme in fatty acid degradation. Both bound fatty acid acyl group through diester bond. Both contain pantothenic acid derivative. ACP and coenzyme. Both are cell carrier molecule. ACP only found in the mitochondria. No, ACP is only found in the cytoplasm. It is only found in the cytoplasm for the synthesis of fatty acid, because it is the part of fatty acid synthesis which is present in the cytoplasm, not in the mitochondria. Which of the following is represented the chemical formula of tyrosine at a physiological pH? Tyrosine contain only one nitrogen. So one nitrogen, here is two nitrogen, four nitrogen. Here is one nitrogen. So C9H11NO3. This will be right. That's all. Good luck. If you like that video, please subscribe that channel. And these are the most important MCQ asked by the MBBS exam, asked in the MBBS exam and other biochemistry exam. So you have to learn that MCQ by heart. That's all.